Okay, on this video, I'm gonna show you the absolute best hamburgers in all of Mexico City. So I happened to get really lucky when I first moved here. At my very first apartment, literally just right over here, was, in my opinion, the best burger restaurant I've had in the year I've been here. So let's go check it out. Hey guys!
Hola, amigo!
This is Javier.
¿Cómo están? ¿Todo bien?
And this is Diego. Ay, qué rico.
Papas de gajo.
So, Javi, how many times do you think I've came in here to eat?
At least 15 times.
15?
In a year? That's a lot, man.
I've eaten here way more than 15 times.
Well, just to eat. The other times, just to chat, you know?
I don't really like this guy anyway. Diego has been working on his English.
Yeah.
Let's hear something in English.
You want a burger?
Is this mine?
Yeah.
Sí or no?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, padre. Alright, so the very first time I met Javi was, again, my apartment was right over here, and I sat at this table, exactly where I'm at right now, and Javi was right over here, and I bit my hamburger, and I was like, wow. Like, I had the face of wow on my, like, you could see it. And Javi looks at me and goes,
Well, it's like, how's the burger? And it's like, oh my god, it's so good, you know.
and what threw me off was his English was so good, because I wasn't expecting it. And I was like, oh my god, like, where are you from? I thought he was Mexican, but you're not Mexican.
No, Venezuelan. Proud Venezuelan.
So Javi's Venezuelan, actually, and you've been here, what, 2 years now?
Yeah, almost 3 years.
Yeah, almost 3 years.
But with this business, it's been for over a year.
Yeah.
We're expecting to open a new one.
Which is exciting.
Which is exciting.
In La Roma, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm on track.
And the man behind the camera right now is the other owner. And but anyway, if you guys are here in Condesa, I promise you, not only have these guys became my friends now, but this is by far the best burger in all of Mexico City that I've had. I wouldn't be making this video otherwise, but come check it out. It's on Zamora 79, correct?
Yeah.
Zamora 79 in Condesa. If you come check it out, please comment, link below. If you like my videos, by the way, make sure you hit subscribe. I've got a ton of videos of me here in not only just Mexico City, but also in other parts of Mexico and some of the other countries I've been. So
you're more than welcome to come by. We'll serve you a great burger.
A really great burger.
What was it?